Hi everybody, Chef Julia here from the UCLA Teaching Kitchen. This week we're making a sausage and egg strata, which is like an egg casserole or a breakfast bake. I'm using protein in the form of a sausage. You can definitely use bacon or turkey bacon or a plant-based sausage. It's really delicious for dinner. If you like to have breakfast for dinner, it's also a really great meal prep option for breakfast. You can make a big batch and then portion out for your breakfast for the week. So it's versatile, it's tasty, and I hope you like it.